Yo. I gotta fix this. I gotta fix this, yo. Yo, who the fuck is here? Oh, I said fuck. I guess I'm gonna be age restricted again. So fucking stupid. I gotta fucking log into my account. I haven't even. I was up till 6 in the morning, fucking trading like a degenerate, like a full blown fucking degenerate last night, and I haven't traded since. I did some really fucking good things too. Really fucking good, really good trading by me. Really good trading. Not. Passed on some really good opportunities. Didn't get filled on others. And then the rest was history. Who's here? Marcine, Slick, Rick, Benny, Konija, Sean, Marco, Day Trader Cut, Soccer God. Is that Matt O'Rourke? I got to make sure. I got to learn your fucking usernames too now. It is Matt O'Rourke. I remembered. Awesome. AS, Andy. Is that computer guy, Andy? I got to see. I got to check your channel now. So annoying. It's fucking YouTube, man, with their new shit. Oh, it's A28. My bad. A28. My bad, bro. A28. I'll remember that next time. DBT, Tick Daddy, Yash, Kenny, Austin Means, Jimmy G, Onija. I think I said what up to you. V33, Tory Trade's husband. There's Andy, TCG Andy. Bacon. Yeah. I didn't have a disappointing week. I arguably had my best 2-week stretch I've ever had as a prop firm trader. Or as a trader, period. Neeson, Raphael, Alfred. Yeah, Hoodie Day Jay. Oh, that's right. We got fucking earnings. I don't have any accounts to trade. Jay Min, what up? John Q, Danny Sebus. Honest Take. Sean. All right, so let me turn my fucking screen sharing on. I am fucking exhausted. I literally got like 3 hours of sleep if I'm lucky. I'm shot. Shot. Trader of dope. What up? What it do? Let me get rid of this. All right. Where should I start? Well, yesterday I was facing a dilemma at the end of the day. Should I request the money that was available to be requested with Lucid, or should I push the accounts? Should I try to push them to go for max payout land? Well, I decided like literally last minute. The issue was I had to lose money on purpose in one of the accounts because of the 35% consistency rule. I did it right before the fucking cutoff, and I took another fucking, what is that, $2,186, $2,187 or whatever in payouts, which pushed me over 14,000 for the month, and really 14,000 for the last 2 weeks. And fuck, man, the money came. Lucid pays like I got paid in like a fucking minute. I got paid in like a minute. Look, I requested at 5:18, 5:19. It was approved. 5:19, the money was sent to my bank account. Right to my bank account, by the way. Not that I have anything against Rise. I like Rise. Rise is great, but I didn't even have to fucking go into my Rise account to pull the money out of there, which also happens very quickly. So this is why you take the money. I'm going to show you why you take the money, guys. Okay, guys? Okay, chat? Marcine. I'm leeching off of Lucid. Trading Alchemist. What up? Oh, Lisa. Robert Gallus. You're the Tucson, El Paso kid. How was I supposed to know that? Why did YouTube do this? I'm still fucking peeved about that shit. Cut. Yeah, I had some W's, but not many. Not many. I haven't traded at all, AME. I haven't traded at all today. Jack Boom. Jonathan Trentwell. Yash. The first payout with Lucid took a couple of days because I requested Friday, like Friday night. And up until that point, all I heard was how fast they pay. So when I didn't get the payout, we did like a payout request party and everything. You had a little stream. When I didn't get paid right away, I'm like, oh fuck. And it was probably because it was a Friday night. But yesterday, because you got to like get your bank account all squared away and shit, which that wasn't the issue. It was because I requested on a Friday night. But I guess if you request during the week, and like I was able to request, look when I was able to request, like right away. I didn't even have to wait for Tradeday to fully update yet. Pretty awesome. So here's why you take the fucking money, guys. I'm going to show you why you take the money. Because look what happened. Look what happened. Here's the two funded accounts I just got paid on. PPDS was in full effect last night. Post Payout Degenerate Syndrome. And like I lost money and got it back and was green. And like I just couldn't. I don't know why. I must have been maybe because I was tired. But like I just couldn't wait. I couldn't wait. And I paid for it. I paid for it. And but I still have the accounts. Like I could build these back up. I've gotten paid on funded accounts that I hit the daily loss limit from. Will I be able to do it? I don't know. Can I? Absolutely. So I still have them, but now I'm fucking working. I'm still green overall, but I don't have much drawdown. So I gotta like give myself a couple of days of the first couple of days. I just gotta give myself a cushion and then work from there. And then I blew this eval. I got this eval and hit the daily loss limit. This one was fucked up because I'm pretty sure I passed this fucking thing. I would have had it passed. And then I passed this one. So I'll have 3 funded Lucids tomorrow. But wait, there's more. Investors, what up? Hot shot. Yo, exactly. AS, I'm playing with house money now. Exactly, bro. I wanted to, before I decided last minute to fucking just take the money, I was like, I want to go for max payout land. I just need $430, and there was one account that was a little lower than the other, so I needed 430. So I'm trading them together. It's like, how hard can it be? Well, this type of shit happens. So I'm glad I took the fucking money. You know how much more fucking pissed off I'd be if I didn't take the money and I did this? I'd be fucking completely fucking. I'd be in an awful mood right now. Bobby D. Razor sharp. Yeah, I'm going to give myself some kush. HID, what up? Well, the only reason why I was able to keep the accounts, Rick, was because the daily loss limit got triggered. Clinvale. Drifter. Nice job, man. Nice fucking job. So that's that. Here's my take profit trader account. Boom! Day fucking 4, son. Day 4. So that's cool. Look at gold. What's the range on gold now? What's the range on gold? 1,100 ticks, guys. You see, guys? So then I traded. Well, I had $56 left in my 3 My Funded Futures funded accounts after hitting the daily loss limit 2 days in a row, which on both of those fucking days I was green and could have stopped. I could be telling you I was getting more payouts, but no, I'm a fucking dummy. I had $56 left. I don't even need to log into those accounts. I'll tell you right now, they're blown. They're gone. And then Apex, I had those 3 funded accounts I took for $700 yesterday. Well, they're gone too. They're gone too. And then look at all these evals I fucking blew. I fucking went digging in the crates in my email for all the 80% off, the one-time coupon code they give you, the one-time use code they give you when you blow your funded accounts. I was like, oh, because Apex is right now, they're doing 50% off. And I used them all, and I fucking blew all of them except for 2. Well, one of them I passed. I already had that sitting from yesterday. So I passed 2, and I blew fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I went 2 for 10. What an awful job. But what's annoying is one of them, look at the fucking max net. Look, this one was right there. I just needed a couple more fucking points. This one was more than halfway there. This one was almost halfway there. I just kept fucking getting the account and kept doing the same thing instead of waiting. But whatever. These 3, look at these 3. These 3 are up $1,100. Brand new day 1 funded accounts. So what are you going to do? What are you going to do? I'll take it. It's unfortunate that I fucked these up. And what's fucked up is I had an order down. I had an order. I was waiting for an order to get filled. I missed getting filled by 15 ticks on a bounce off a key level of the fibs on a longer time frame fib. 15 fucking ticks, which is nothing for gold. And then there were a couple of short opportunities that I didn't get filled on. One of them I missed getting filled by like 9 ticks. I could have got $500 or $600 on the trade. And it was like 2 or 3 like that. And then gold fucking pumped. I didn't recognize it, and I didn't abort my. I kept expanding the fib, and I didn't recognize it. And I should have just said, I had my opportunities. I missed them. Let me just fucking chill and wait for a better opportunity. And I didn't, and that's how I blew these. Because then I went against what happened. And then sure enough, this happened because I waited more patiently for a better fucking opportunity. And even this, like, all I had to do was hold the original trade, and I would have gotten this a lot more easier. But, you know, I did it the hard way. But whatever. I'll have 5 funded Apex accounts tomorrow. Cool. Great. Wonderful. Fantastic. Bulenox. What's going on in Bulenox? Tim Morgan. What up? Yeah, AME. The biggest thing is, like, there's like other aspects of life. It's all about retention. You know? They got the no fat movement for that type of retention. And then they got, in the prop firm world, you got account retention. The name of the game is to get accounts, get payouts from accounts, right? And get them again and again instead of fucking just churning and burning. Like, I don't do it on purpose. It just happens. Post-payout degenerate syndrome, PPDS, is fucking real. Ian, what up? NJ, what's good? Yeah, I don't like daily loss limit that much either, Hotshot, because I feel like even though it can save us from ourselves, I also feel like the fucking next trade or that DLL fucked me out of getting back in the green. So, you know, I have a love-hate relationship with daily loss limits. Samuel, what up? Sintra, Vince. Yeah, gold is great. Drifter, gold is fucking amazing. It's so much better. I don't know. I fucking hate the NQ. I really do. All right, so let me show you bulenox. Speaking of account retention, these are my fucking funded accounts. I have two. Can I fucking zoom in on this shit? Jesus. There we go. I have two funded accounts. Look at the balance on this fucking thing. I just got paid. I got paid about what? I got my money last week. I am almost $1,300 over max payout land in both accounts. I forgot to hide the balance I forgot to turn on streamer mode for your protection. But let me show you my. This is how much I've gotten from these accounts. Like, this is how much I've generated in profits from these accounts total. Obviously, it's not. This is higher because I got paid $1,500 in each account. But look at the calendar on this fucking. Look at these calendar. Look at these fucking accounts calendar. Look at this shit. I got 6 days in. 6 days in. And I need 4 more days. How hard can it be? I just need 4. I need 2 more days of $150 or more, and then I could flip. But those days, I'm just gonna set a daily loss limit for like $100. Like, I need to get day 7 and 8 in, right? But on days 9 and 10, I'm gonna trade them, and I'm gonna set the daily loss limit for like $100. Because look how far over I am. So I'm feeling good about that. If I could get another payout from the same bulenox accounts, that's fucking great. That's $6 grand from the same accounts. That's the name of the game with this shit. Account retention. What up, Eddie? Micah. Yeah. Eric J. Exactly, Micah. I still need. Can I still request though if that happens? Thanks, Drifter. Can I still if I had 4 losing days in a row and I'm still over max payout, I don't think I'd be able to request though. Really? That's interesting. That's interesting. Grizzly, what up? All right, so what's going on with these fucking charts? NQ is fucking melting. What do we have today? We have Amazon earnings. When is Apple report? Apple earnings. Oh, today. We got Amazon and Apple today. Shit. Man, can somebody tell Apex to do a fucking 90% off sale? Please, there's no, it's only 50% off. Yeah, Micah, yep. That's why I'm always going for at least $150 because my best day, and it's from the day you got the account. It's not pay period to pay period. So my best day is $749. So I'm always trying to get $150. Like this day, I did yesterday I did $783, but I didn't want to have to get like $160 or whatever, or $156. So I lost money on purpose, like a fucking degenerate. But I had my reasons. And 783, if I did the math on 783, let's say it was 784 because it was 783 and change. I mean, all I would really need to do is get another like $157, which how hard can it be to get $7 more than what I need to do now? But you know how hard it could be. Shit's fucking hard. Trading's hard, guys. I kind of want to max out my funded accounts in Lucid. Oh, shit. So I'm going to get one more. Why is this opening a new fucking... We're going to do one more. What's NQ doing? Let's fucking... I'm going to expand this, yo. That's a good spot. That's from the low. This is the bottom here from that gap up. Interesting. Let's look at gold. I love gold. Now, this was the bounce right here that I fucking literally, no, was it here? I think it was here. I don't remember where it was. Missed it by 15 ticks. So now, got to expand this to the next level. That's how I do it. I'm not saying it's the best way or the right way, but that's how I like to do it. Or even here. This is the previous day's high. This is yesterday's high right here. We going for yesterday's high? Maybe. Shit. Maybe, maybe not. And in case you're wondering, yes, I am still waiting for my Tradeday live account. I'm on day 5. I'm on business day number 5. So I'm not even worried about it. Guess what's going to happen? Whenever it's ready, I'll be ready to trade it. You know what I mean? It does suck that I haven't been able to take any more daily payouts from Tradeday since I maxed out my 50Ks, but what are you going to do? It is what it is. You know what I hate about fucking credit union fucking debit cards? The little bullshit fucking limits they give you on your daily fucking spend limit. It's fucking annoying. There we go. Now, look at that. That was 60 points. So I just saved 45% on this. I just paid $74 for this Lucid eval. What number is that? 13? All in for 74 bucks. Fast as fuck payouts. Bowser, what up? Christopher Branzall. It's a trap. Yeah, Trading Alchemist, thank you. Yeah, man. And what's crazy was I went on a weird stretch in September. It started in August, actually. It started in August. Like August was a brutal month, and somehow I was able to finish strong. But September was awful. And the first half of October was even worse. But thank you. I did come a long way. I'm literally, whatever payout comes next. Like I set a goal at the end of last year and the beginning of this year to do 6 figures in payouts. That was my goal. I declared it. I claimed it. I said, I'm doing 6 figures in payouts with prop firms. And whatever the next payout is, wherever it comes from, whatever amount it is, it will push me over 100,000 in payouts for the year. And we have 2 months left. So yeah, it wasn't pretty. Could I have made a lot more money? Absolutely. But that's part of the process. That's part of my journey. All the fucking up. Gold is on crack. I love it. I don't like the way this shit, like this type of shit right here. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. But I'm glad gold is back over 4,000. Micah. Maybe. Tony Gold, what up? Clinvale. It's for my protection. That's right. Leonard, what up? Here's my Lucid accounts. Good thing I hit the daily loss limit on these two. Good thing I already got paid. I took the money. I got paid yesterday. I paid myself. I decided I'm just going to take the money. You know why? Because it was available. Because shit like this happens. This type of shit can happen. So I took it. So I was at 11,000. I was at 11,901 before that. And then I took 1152 and 1034. 14,087. It's probably 14,088 if you do the math, like with all like, you know, the 40 cents and the 30 cents and all the trade day payouts that were like 20 cents on the at the end of it and shit like that. 60 cents here, 40 cents there. But look, I did 14,000. I did 14 grand. I did at least 14 grand in payouts in the 3 of the last 4 months. I did it in fucking July. I did it in August, and I did it in October. September was a fucked up month. And if you do the math, right, 14,087 plus to 2,000 I got last month. That's all I was able to get. Oh, let's get the chart back up here. Yeah, gold's kind of moving like shit right now. NQ's moving more because we got earnings coming. But look, let me get back on the chart. My bad. So 14,087. I did 2,000 last month. Whoop-de fucking do. I did 14,100. I don't know. It was like 100 something. Let's just say 100 even. In August, 14,200. In July, it was probably a little more. And then 7,500 in June, 18,700 in May. Look at this. In 6 months. Let's see, October, September, August, July, June, May. 70 grand in payouts. It's pretty fucking good. In 6 months, 7,587 divided by 6. I'm averaging $11,764. And that's with that 1 month that I only did 2 grand. Pretty fucking good. Did I trade gold today? I trade gold every day. Every fucking day. I don't fuck with, what up, Mitch? I do not fuck with, I barely trade the NQ now. I hate the NQ. And I know, guys, I know. For any fucking jerk-off hater watching this and be like, but what about how much you paid on accounts? I know it's not all profit, okay? But it's profit. I'm profitable. I don't know the exact number, but I am profitable. Yeah, of course I'm profitable, Messi. I knew someone was going to fucking say something. Yeah. Yeah. What did Bowser do? PJ, what up? And that's not directed towards you, Messi. But there's people like, oh, you probably spent more on accounts. Like, wrong. That's not true. What did Bowser do? Bowser, you ended up trading that shit anyway? Good shit, bro. Risky, but hey, when you're in the fucking zone, you know, you could do shit like that. Although I will never do that again. I did it once and I fucking unpaid myself. And it was an accident. I was having too much fun. All right, this shit's not even moving at all. Is this thing on? Maximus, what up, man? Manuel, what up? Am I overall green from day one, PJ? No, not yet. And a lot of it has to do with Apex. I am green as fuck with trade day. I can tell you that much. I am very green with trade day. I am the most green with trade day. I'm green with Lucid too. My fund the futures, I'm green, but not by a lot anymore. I kind of fucked that up. Apex is the biggest one. Bulenox, shit. I might be green with Bulenox too. I can tell you one thing. I will definitely be green if I could get these to a fucking payout. Again, another $3,000. I've gotten 7,500 from Bulenox so far in payouts. I would love, man. I'm gonna make it happen. I'm gonna make it fucking happen. De Leon, what up? Hank Loud. They do pay daily, but they're like, there's like a backlog or something. They need you to buy more accounts. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY. No, I don't know. They've just been like a little slow. Wood chip. What up, man? Dream Chaser. Yeah, they've been a little they've been a little slow, right? You know who's been paying daily though? Tradeday pays daily. True daily payouts. Although I maxed out my account, so I haven't been able to trade them. I'm waiting on my live account right now. More like every 2 days right now? Damn. Any good prop firm promotions today? Trade day, 30% off, no activation fee. You could be all in with a funded trade day account for as little as $69 to make them holla. With the best fucking code ZERODAYJ. 40% off, take profit trader, no activation fee. My funded futures, 5%, guys. 5%. Lucid, you could get as much as 50% off as a first-time user. 50Ks are 45% off. 50K test accounts are 45% off. Everything else is 30% off. But if you're a new user, you could get an extra 5% off your first account. Yeah, hot shot. I mean, that's a great ROI. Yeah, and dude, it's just, I was gonna say that before, dude. You're a fucking beast. You trade your personal account like a fucking G. Marcin, I'm waiting patiently. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I joke about the My Fund the Futures 5% off, but there's no activation fee. So you literally could be all in for $77. I think it's 73 when you put in the best code ZERODAYJ. This shit ain't fucking nothing. Like, look, I don't even know what's going on here. Is this even on? I gotta tap the screen. Is this on? I might have to just trade NQ. Trader Shop, what up? That's right. It's a trap nose. I got the highest pass. My code ZERODAYJ has the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate according to the prop from Streets. Do I have a team in the Trade Iffy Grand Cup competition? No, I am not participating. I participated in the Trade Day one, and that was enough for me. Because honestly, it was a distraction. And I kind of, I'm kind of glad I did, because we had fucking jerk-offs fucking commenting on how many fucking resets people were getting. And I was one of those people that were resetting my fucking 150K a lot, because that's the size of the account that they let you trade. I don't trade 150Ks really. I trade 50Ks. Like, oh my God, these guys are influencers? All they care about is blah, blah, blah. They're not even good traders. And I kind of took it personal. So what did I do? While everybody was fucking jerking off about the competition, I made $14,000 in fucking real payouts in the last 2 weeks. You think I give a fuck how I did in that competition? Did I want to win? Absolutely. It didn't work out that way. Marcin. I hate when they say that shit. Yo, Olivier. So, dudes, Olivier, I didn't know you were 007 clench. Olivier, I'm gonna trade one mini, maybe two. I'm not deviating from my trading plan. I'm gonna have $3,825 of drawdown to work with. I'm just gonna be very fucking picky with what I trade. And I'm gonna trade gold. I'm not even gonna go near the fucking NQ. Dude, and Trader Shop, and all of us were fucking, they were, everybody was trying, right? But a lot of us, especially us degenerates, were just trying to fucking, slam the account and fucking degen trade to get the balance up quick. I had one stretch where I was like right there on the cusp of passing. And once that happened, I was like, it ain't gonna happen. I had a couple opportunities to pass and it didn't. It's not a fucking, I just don't see it as a true, Kellyanne has a really good chance to win, and she didn't reset her account once. So I hope she wins. But I don't see that. I just don't look at that as like a true reflection of how I am as a trader. Because while I was fucking blowing that account that didn't cost me any money, I was getting fucking payouts. I got $8,278 from fucking Trade Day alone in a 5-day stretch. You think I give a fuck about a competition that I get nothing? And I had the worst, there's good traders on there. I had to beat out 20 other people. Guess who I had to beat out to get my $8,200? Nobody other than myself. White Trash Trades, what up? Yeah, and my trading plan, exactly. When Tactical, what's good? Nah, Tactical, you just gotta fucking Tactical. You were under control. And when you were under control, you were getting payouts. Just fucking take a deep breath and relax. We're gonna do some breathing and relaxing, and just you'll get back to it. Just you're pressing. You're putting too much pressure on yourself, man. Thank you. Olivier, thank you, man. I appreciate it. I really fucking disappointed in YouTube for fucking putting your usernames on here. What up, Sing? Yep. Post Payout Degenerate Syndrome is back. But it's all right. Your wife is going to leave you. Don't say that, man. What up, Jay Stores? I told Trade Day. They're like, so how are you going to trade these? They asked me how I traded the other accounts. I said, I guess my way in and I guess my way out. Just ain't right. You can't be a grandma. Oh, man. And mwah, to you. I'm hoping to fill the gap by the end of tomorrow. Wait, what? What are we talking about? The DJ Day Trader, what up? Jose Carlos, what's good? Nobita, hello. Rick, you know me. Always trying to fill the gap. What the fuck is this shit? Did gold move it? Gold, look, gold's not even moving. Man, everybody's just they're just waiting for Apple and Amazon. That's what they're waiting for. PJ, yeah. Yeah, what do you guys think? I mean, yesterday, like Meta and Microsoft missed, but Google was good. So we popped and then we fucking dropped hard. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I don't know. I wonder. Yeah, no white trash trades, no spit either. I don't even know. I'm not even sure what to expect from this algo candle, to be honest with you. Scalpster, what up? Well, at least you still get the trade day. Miss Goody. Could always count on Miss Goody knows. She knows the deal. That shit just fucking look, man. This chart's not doing this any justice. That shit just pumped like fucking 40 points. Right here. 40 fucking points from 87 to 27. Damn. Oh. $30 points there. So we just pumped like fucking 70 points. Yikes. That's a good way to get killed on trailing drawdown. Renee Bleh. You know what I find interesting? Look at that. Look where it rejected. You see, guys? You see, guys? From this high to this low, or this low to this high, right? 786 rejection. Now, does it keep going? Does it go back up? Yeah, probably. So I'll just expand this fucker like this. It won't matter in 10 minutes. It won't really matter. But I bet on the larger time frame, there will be some Fibonacci fucking shit going on. Like I might lower this down to this low. I might expand this shit. Like, do I want to waste this account? Do I want to wait? I mean, shit, 16. P Shenanigan, what up, man? iTrades. Pump, dump. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Half of you say pump. But in terms of pumping being in the scheme of things, we got almost 80% of you say there's going to be some sort of pump. More than half of you said at least a pump, with just a pump. And then you got some said pump, then dump, dump, then pump. Fibmaster Flex here. I'm coming up with cool names for my fibs. Grab it by the Fibonacci. That group is dead now. And then I came up with Donatella Fibonacci, like Donatella Versace. I changed their last name to Fibonacci. That's the other group of accounts. What do you think? You see, guys? Vladimir, what up, man? You can, but you have until the trading is over with Top Step at like 409. 409 or 410. So you can, but you better get what get what you're looking for before that. And you'll get an opportunity for sure. It's a trap, yeah. Roberto, what up? A lyrical genius. I'm a lyrical genius like Kanye. Tyson, what up? Tactical, what's good? Yeah. Here's the 54-minute candle. $618, $707, $786. Do you think it's going to flush it or it's going to bounce off of this level? Oh, there's your answer. So like if I were to do this, right? Well, I mean, it all started here. It all started right here, guys. You see, guys? Where is it? Right here, guys. We had this. Here's the low. Here's the high. We rejected off the 786 for how many fucking points? 46. 54 points. 54 points from this rejection on the 50-minute candle, actually. You know what's crazy? One of my neighbors around the block, he just picked up like he's got a fucking sick orange Porsche. It's like a GT3, a GTS 3 or some shit. It's a 911, like it's got to be $150,000 to $200,000 Porsche. And the license plate says UVXY. Yeah, 911, sick car. Building Impossible Dreams, what up? Yeah, GT3 RS. That's, yeah, bacon. GT3 RS, fucking orange. PJ, I prefer 90% off. I prefer 90% off with the $85 activation fee. Yeah, GT3 RS, a sick fucking car. Yeah, obviously he's a trader. I got to ask him. I got to talk to him. I just waved to him. He's like around the block from me. What up, Saad? It's that much money? I'm also not sure. Well, that's his car because he has the plate on it. I was thinking the GT3 RS was like that one. Now that I know now that you guys told me the exact model, I thought they were at least like 250. Sick fucking car. But I fucking pulled up. What up, Justin? I pulled up next to him with my 2005 LS 430, and I fucking burned rubber. And I said, got him. Yeah, orange, sick. It's fucking car is fucking sick. It has black wheels. It's fucking nice, man. Yeah, and the plate said UVXY. I'm like, wow, what a fucking G. Stock cars and bets. Hey, man, you do what you got to do. I mean, people do it. Trading is hard as fuck. CC. But that's why prop firms are great. I gotta get more coffee. Fuck, man, I'm gonna miss this. Are earnings like right at 4 o'clock? Does anybody know if it's right at 4 o'clock? I wanted to get more coffee before that shit. Fuck. I guess I'm not getting coffee for a little while longer. Uh-oh. Shit is dumping. Oh, you fuck. I might hit the daily loss on this. I'm going to trail it. Can I get 37 fucking points? Oh! Oh! I got a little too much. Whoops. Oh man. Oh my God, what happened? Damn, son. Well, I'm going to have 4 funded Lucid accounts tomorrow or later. Damn, look at that fucking bounce. Oh, man. Oh. Wow, wowie, wow. Oh my God. Hey, who was that? Was that Amazon or Apple? Ha! Ha! Got him. Got him. I would have been so pissed off if I hit the DLL and then it fucking popped. You see, guys? You see, guys? That was fun. Eric J. Can you pass Lucid in the day, son? Yup. That's what I did with these two. Damn, I got way more than I needed to. I think it's because I got filled. Let's see. Yeah, I got filled 5. Look, this is why. My order was at 85.75. I got filled at 90.25 on that long, on the take profit. No, I can't activate it now, Hotshot. Not with Tradeday. You can with Project SlipX. Can you trade earnings with take profit? Yeah, you can. You could trade earnings with take profit trader evals. You could trade earnings with take profit trader funded accounts too. Did you know that? You can trade funded take profit trader accounts during earnings. T said, and anybody else who was wondering, although I don't recommend it. CP, really? I gotta look. I'm gonna look right now because yeah, you know what I'm gonna do? So who was that? Who had those earnings? Roberto. The ones that I passed are, yeah. They're all evals except for the bottom two. Those are the accounts I took payouts on yesterday. I hit the daily loss limit. Jessica. Mo, what up? Am I allowed to blow my account, John Q? If you want. Newts, what up? From Tradeday. All right. It's a trap. Nice fucking job. That was Amazon. Amazon beat. Just 180 billion, huh? Take profit traders is shit. So now, what about now? Apple's next. What time is Apple? What time is Apple going? Alfred. Oh, Apple's in. Oh, I got time then. I got some time so I could get some more fucking coffee. Thanks, Tactical. Coach Singh. Nice, bro. Nice. Yeah, it's a trap, man. Take profit trader. Day one payouts, daily payouts. Although they've been a little on the people are reporting that they've been a little on the slow end. A little on the slow end. They're waiting like an extra day to get paid. But I think they'll be fine. What up, Benny? Pelosi sold all her Apple stock the other day? What's Cramer saying about Apple? That's what I want to know. What's fucking Jim Cramer saying? I hope he's saying Apple's a sell. What's Amazon doing? Up 10%. This is where Amazon is right now. Psychic, yeah, crazy. And that's, you know what's crazy? That's what all the shit that's been going on with AWS. I guess nobody gives a fuck that their whole hosting infrastructure went to fucking shit the other day. I need to get another account somewhere. I'm looking trying to reset a take profit trader fucking blown eval, but they fucking hide your active subscriptions like way down. There's one. That's a 25K. I don't want a 25K. That's another 25K. I don't want a 25K. We got a 50K. 6 million ways to die. Choose one. All right, hold on. I'm gonna log into my Lucid account. We'll see if I can activate these. Not that I want to trade them right now. What's gold doing? What did gold do? Gold's just kind of chilling. I think gold. I'm not saying gold's done moving for the day, but it's kind of chilling right now because earnings is taking a backseat to fucking major fucking tech earnings. Let me hide my screen. Log into my Lucid account. Up in here. Up in here. Oh, I'm already in. All right, cool. Oh, shit. You're right. This is the one I passed. Hold on. Hold up, though. Number 12. Number 13 is not even in there. Where's number 13? Oh, there's 13. This is wrong. It didn't update yet because I think that's what I was down when I think $14 is what you go down on fees, I guess. That account, you guys saw what I did to that account. All right, I'm going to hit upgrade. Yeah, I acknowledge. Is that how you guys read the agreements too? You just check the box? Account upgrade successful. So in a couple of minutes or less, I'll have another funded account. It should be LTF, and then it should end in a 5. Let's see. Damn, that was fast. No activation fee ever. Look at that shit. Damn, thanks for fucking telling me, guys, because I guess I didn't wait long enough. I didn't know you could do. I thought you could only do that on Project SlipX. Damn, fucking Lucid, man. I like Lucid. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY to get your accounts. Use the best fucking code. Do I want to trade this shit now, though? This thing's looks like it's gearing up for another fucking leg up. Although, Sean, yeah, what agreements? Exactly. CP, what's good? Yo, isn't it funny how they lay everybody off right before earnings? And they probably put that in the books. PK, what up? Hell yeah, Drifter. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I want to get my first day in, but I also don't want to do anything stupid. So I'm just kind of chilling right now. I don't need to get my first day in right this second. But I'm gonna go get more coffee. I'll be right back. We got Apple earnings coming next. What a fucking pop. How many points was that? 853. Basically almost 150 points after we dropped. What's my bet on? I don't know. I don't know, guys. Investors, they do. They're such fucking scumbags. I always see that before earnings. Fucking companies laying off a bunch of people, and all of a sudden their stock goes up. Just ain't right. Does the Lucid DLL grind my gears? Yeah, daily loss limits do. But at the same time, depending on how I get to the daily loss limit, it's probably a huge favor for me. Yeah, balancing the books, P. Cost cutting. They're just going to hire a bunch of people for the holidays anyway. Well, that just went up like 30 points. See, I just had a feeling it was going to go up another leg. It went up a second leg. Oh, no, it went up a third leg. Here's the first leg, here's the second leg. Here's I wonder how big this third leg is going to get. Take notes, Marvel. Cost cutting. Yeah, that was nice. Let's see. Hey, let's see if I could upgrade the other one now. Oh, it's ready to go, you guys. Fucking kudos to Lucid. They're doing it for us. Yeah, I acknowledge the agreement. I see it. I acknowledge that there's an agreement here in front of me on the screen. Oh, I got 4 fucking funded Lucid accounts now, motherfucker. Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that shit. Carlos, what up? Yo. YGQ. What up? I'll be right back, guys. Let me get this coffee. I'm gonna let you finish. But first, I gotta get more coffee. Savvy. I'm more for tea. What up? Nayo. Shout out to Nayo. She's always fucking updating the market outlook every single week. Thank you so much for doing that, Nayo. In the best Discord, the best community on these prop firm streets. Let me drop a link in the chat. Okay, chat? Hope you don't mind, chat. For the Discord, the best fucking community. Shit is lit 24 fucking 7, 365. Let me drop a link in here, all right? Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. Oh, Lisa, what up? Can you swing trade Lucid overnight? No. Most prop firms do not allow that, by the way. Vinny Lee. Yeah. Oh, you went max on those, Vinny. Fucking great job, man. Love it. I love it. You love to see it. I did grab another Take Profit Trader fucking eval. I reset one. So let's see if I could play some half a smash. Half a smash for the stream. This other one is on day 4. That's gold. There we go. All right, I'll be right back. I got to get this coffee. Yeah, above the. Oh, dude, I saw those accounts, man. You blew one of them. You know the name of the game, bro. Just do it again. Not blowing it. Just get a new account. Big Key, what up? 4:30. 14 minutes, according to the prop firm streets and the chat. Okay, chat. Holy Earth, Raphael, Yash. It's free for now. That's right. It's right. He's not lying. Interesting. If I go up another level, we got you fucker. So this area right here was the 786, but I expanded it. Now it's a 707, give or take a couple of points. I'll be right back. Stick around. Anthony Jr., what up? Always take the money, bro. Always. That is exactly why. All right. All right. How many points was that? Damn, that's a lot of points. The gap between these levels is what? I mean, the distance, 22 points. 22 points between the 618 and the 707. Benny, 4:30. Yeah, in 11 minutes, right? Coach Fred, what up? What up? Sanyel, you could have 5 funded Lucid accounts. The 50Ks, we're talking about the 50Ks where you pass an eval to get your funded. 5 days of $100 or more. There's a buffer of 2,100. You got to get to at least 2,600 to request. And the max payout you can request is 1,500. So you got to get to 3,600. Now, does that buffer go away after a few payouts? It might. I don't even know, to be honest with you. And it's a 35% consistency rule. And they pay fast as fuck. They will dump it right into your bank account. Fast as fuck. White Trash Granny. I'm not a fan of the Blue Jays, but I fucking hope they beat the Dodgers. I hope they fucking close the deal. I just don't. I'm. You know what I mean? I'm a fan of any team that's going against the Dodgers. Mo, no, I am not an affiliate with Trade Iffy. I'm sorry. Makes me want to get a code from there, but I'm not really a big proponent of promoting prop firms I don't trade with. So look, right here. Let me bring this back down to where I had it before. There it is, 786 rejection. I expanded it to this high. Either way, it was a 707 or a 786. How was my trading today? Not great. Not great, but not terrible. Mamba Lamba. Did some. I'm glad. I'll tell you one thing. I just passed 2 Lucid accounts. Well, I passed one way early this morning, and one just now on Amazon's earnings. But I'm glad I got pay. I'm glad I took that payout yesterday because I hit the daily loss limit on these 2 funded accounts today. I still have them, but now I got an uphill battle with these because I don't have a lot of. I'm green. I'm still green, but I got a long way to go. I got a lot of work to do with these 2. Amazon's still hanging tough at 10% or just under 10%. What's Apple doing? Let's see. I mean, Apple's up, but it's not really up. It's not even up 1%. We're gonna find out what happens with Apple in a few minutes. We're gonna see. Yes, Aniel, you could get if you're going with the 50K test accounts, you could get, if it's your first account, you get 50% off your first account and then 45% off anything else. And then that's on the 50K. And then any other size account and type, including the straight to funded, is 30% off. With the best code ZERODAYJAY. Just when you go to the site, let me drop my link in the chat. When you go to the site, if you want to make sure I get credit for the sale, like you want to support the channel, you want to use the best code because it has the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate. Just make sure you put it in there because they default with some in-house bullshit. So just replace it with my code. Put my code in no matter what. Here's my link. Is funded ticks good? They're not. I don't have anything bad to say about them. There's my Lucid link. I don't have anything bad to say about them. The only thing I will say is that they're based out of Dubai. Take that for whatever that's worth. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. But I haven't heard anything bad about them. They're doing some, what are they doing, like 50% off their accounts right now? Some crazy fucking deal. I almost got an account with them because of this deal. Nah, Sky P, not that company. I don't know what company he's behind, but he's definitely fucking back in the fray. That fucking jerk off. Yeah, Amazon's up another 10%. How hard can it be? Funding Ticks has been around for a while. They've been in the Forex space for years. They're a big player. They're a big player. They were a big player before they got into futures. Tyson. Where did that move bounce off on the fib? I don't know. I'd have to draw it out. Let's see. I mean, it depends on where you have your low at. But if I drew my low here, it's the 618. If I move it, and this is the thing about the fib, like here, this is where I had it originally. Look at this. This is where I had it originally. I expanded it down to when we gapped up last Friday. We gapped up on Friday. Look, right? Oh, my God. You see this, guys? You see, guys? Look at this. Right? That's I mean, look. That makes the most sense where to put it. Right off the fucking 786. 856, 180, almost 180 points off of that bounce. Obviously, we had help because of earnings. It could have dumped, too. LK, what up? Yeah, that's 50% off. What up, Don Burberry? Yeah, 50. That's how much they go for. Plans. It's 135 bucks, right? Times 0.5. 67.50. That's 50% off. The first account is 50% off on the 50Ks. After that, it's 45% off. Everything else is 30% off, but 35% off if it's your first time grabbing an account of any size or type. Yeah, so that's 50%. After that, it'll be 45% for the 50Ks. The 100 and the 150K test accounts and the straight to fundeds are all 30% off. 1 day to pass. I just passed this one. I just passed this one like right here. I passed it during this pop here, this candle, and I already activated it today. And then this one I passed earlier, like during the overnight, and it's already activated. I didn't know. I thought you could only do that with Project SlipX. It's basically instant activation. You just gotta give the dashboard, 5 or 10 minutes to update. Pretty sick. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of daily loss limit, but hey, just don't hit it. Don't hit the daily loss limit. But at that point, Mark, if you're hitting the daily loss limit, it's probably saving you from fucking blowing the account. But I'm with you. I'm not a huge fan of the daily loss limit. But you know what I'm a huge fan of? Instant upgrade of your fucking past eval and fucking almost instant payouts. I literally got paid a minute later after I requested yesterday with these two. I'm a huge fan of that shit. Sign me up. Oh, wait, I already am. All right, here we go, guys. Here we go. Do you think we pop again? Do you think we're going up to the VWAP? I mean, this could, I mean, fuck, man. This could be the spot right here. Here's what we're going to do. That's a scary spot because we might go to the 786 and reject. Oh, it broke. Look, it's frozen. It's fucking frozen. Did you see that? Yo, almost a 786 rejection. Look at that. You see, guys? You see, guys? How many points is that? 40? 120 points. You see, guys? I thought I was almost going to short it. I swear. I swear I was, guys. 1 day to pass. Yeah, Lucid is 1 day to pass. Eric J. Well, that was crazy. Pavan, what up? Day one violated 30% rule. Bro, John, are you trading a fucking Apex PA on this shit? Wow. Adrian Lorenzo's rolling in his benzo. Monica. That's why I put my order up. That's why I had my order up here, because I was worried that was going to happen. Holy shit, man. All right, let's look at Apple. Did they miss? They're down 3% so far. I mean, Apple is literally at all-time highs. Apple hit a new all-time high of 274 today. Oh, it's coming back. Oh, what? Yo, look at this shit. 618, 707, 618. Look at that. I wish I fucking got in. Now I don't know what's going to happen. We're fucking pink. Oh, my God. Oh, what a fucking bounce. My order was here. I almost want to leave it there. Oh, it's there. Damn it. I don't trust. I mean, well, there's my order. 49.50. No. Well, it was the same spot. 48.50, 49.50. It would have got filled right there. I expanded the fib. Now we're at the 618. Does it want the VO? What a fucking bounce. Look. 618 bounce. We're up how many fucking points now? We went up 134 points from there. What's Apple doing? Apple's only down 1%. Yeah, I don't trust it. $49 billion versus $50 billion. Lucid's payout rules. 5 days of $100 or more. I don't know if that's every account size. I know that's on the 50Ks. Wait, hold on. I'll load it up. I'll load it up. Minimum days traded, payout requirements. Oh, this is for fucking fun. This is for Lucid Direct or straight to funded accounts. If you go in the eval route to pass. So here it is. 50Ks minimum. You have to have 5 days of $100 or more. 100Ks, 5 days of $150 or more. 150Ks, 5 days of $200 or more. And then 35% consistency rule. Here's the buffer balance you need to be at. I think you need to be $500 over the buffer to take a payout. Yeah, minimum payout request $500. So if I were to take these, if I were to be able to get those other accounts to payouts, like multiple payouts, it'll go up. It goes up like the max amount you could take on subsequent payouts. That's everything right there. I'll drop the link in the chat. Let me get back to this shit. Wow, what a fucking bounce. What's Apple doing? Apple's not even down 1% anymore. This could go up more. Wow. Let me get this. Oh, and by the way, smash the like button for Trevor LeConte if you haven't done so yet. Do it for the stream. Tyson's bulenox good. I like bulenox, but depending on where you're at in your journey, it might not be the best option. But when they're running sales, what up, Benjamin? Oh, you're talking about Apple? Yeah, I think I have it. My bad. Session. There we go. Thanks, yo. There it goes. Here's the VWAP. I really wish I fucking look. I got my order was 40. I would have had it. 48. The first order was 48.50. Now I don't know what to do. Now I just gonna have to wait. Oh my God. What's gold doing? Oh shit, gold fucking pumped. What the fuck? Look at gold. What the fuck happened? What's going on? Put this thing on the ground. TJ, yeah, I blew a lot of evals today too. What up, TJP? What up? I don't know, Leonard. I don't know. I hope gold pumps all night. I'm gonna go rub my ball with some money gold. You know? This is interesting right here. Look at that. Just look at it. Does it want to go down here? Yep, it does. 707 rejection. Let me look at gold real quick. Damn. It wants that previous day high. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Sometimes when you see it, you have to look at it. How many points is that? Damn, that would have been enough. Fuck. Now, is the VWAP going to be support? Is this the VWAP? That's what I want to know because, yeah, it is. I had a situation with gold and Tradeday earlier during the overnight where the VWAP was in the wrong fucking place. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? And then it fixed itself, but I was confused. All right. It's going for this level. I'm worried about this, though. I don't know. I don't know. Is Apple green now? Oh, I forgot to hold on a sec. I got to drop this link in the chat for anyone who look at for anyone asking anyone else who wants the rules that I was just talking about. Here's the link to the rules. Oh, I already sent it. Never mind. I sent it already. My bad. Whoopsie. $86. Oh, I fucking had it and I wasn't even paying attention. I got filled. Hit it! Hit it! It's too much. I have it. Oh my God. Is this fucking real life? Well, at least it's not trailing draw. It's not trailing, but that sucked. We're going to have to try again. I wasn't paying attention. I had it. I didn't have my take profit in place. I wasn't sure if I was going to get filled. Look at that. Got to be fucking kidding me. 99 is what I needed. That fucking blows. Maybe it'll come back up. Hit that shit. Oh, $1,500 right on the fucking money, dog. I'm trading Power Hour like a fucking boss today. Oh. Hey, we fucking did it, Joe. You gotta withdraw over the buffer. You have to be over the buffer to withdraw. CyberPie. Yeah, I don't think they're terrible. That's what Apex used to be. I look at bulenox as a challenge. They are the cheapest. Those are the cheapest evals you could get when they're 91% off. Leo. They're not my favorite, but I can tell you one thing. Every time I requested, I got paid. So far. You have to trade good. You have to trade clean and you have to be good. But I needed the challenge. I wanted to be able to, because for the longest time I couldn't. I wanted to be able to string together 10 good fucking days. Really, you need 8 good days. I haven't ran into any issues with my payouts. I got 7,500 from them. They're not my favorite. I'm not saying that they're bad either, though. I like them. $15.75 for evals when they're 91% off. So, I don't know. I'm closing in on another payout from the same 2 accounts. They're not my favorite. You know who I like the most? Take Profit Trader and Tradeday. You know why? Because you could get paid on day 1 and you could get paid every single day. But I can't trade with Tradeday right now. I'm waiting on my live account. I'm not going to be able to trade with Trade Day for, I don't know, maybe not. Holy shit. Wow, look at that. I think Apple's green now. Apple's up 3% now. Holy fuck. The only time bulenox denies payouts is if you try to count days. Not that you're trying to get something, sneak something by them, but they will not count a trade day as a trade day unless it's more than 20% of your best day. Wow, look at this shit go. 280. I got to expand this fib now. Look. You see, guys? How fucking... This shit just wants to keep going. But right here was a 618 bounce, right? So this was the Amazon pop. We dropped going into the close. This was the Amazon pop. And then we rejected. Apple rejected at a 786 before I expanded the fib. Bounced off the 618. How many fucking points? 921. What are we at now? We're up 220 points from that 618 bounce off the fib. This is an interesting spot just because, and it's not in an arbitrary spot. I'm expanding to the next high. I'm not just picking some random spot so it suits my bias. I'm expanding to the next high. That's all I'm doing. Does it hold here? I don't know. I might have to expand to the next high, which is up here. But even if I do that now, it's probably the 618. See? Actually, I got to fucking create a group. No. Manage groups. Fib Master Flex. I'm a little, I mean, this was the 786 before I expanded it. So let's see if this holds here. I don't know, though. I might want to fuck with gold instead. What's gold looking like? Honestly, I don't even know if I want to fuck with these Lucid accounts with the NQ because I don't like trading the NQ with funded accounts. Don, Dario, what up? That's all it is, man. Gene. Yeah. The fact that I was able to activate my fucking just past eval 5 minutes later and have a funded account just like that is fucking awesome. I don't know. I didn't do right. I set it up straight to my bank account. They didn't even offer Rise. They might offer it. I don't know. Let's see. I got the money right away. I'm trying to see what are the payout providers? Work market with ADP, bank account, straight up bank transfer, or PayPal, or Plaid. I use Plaid because I'm US based. Or if you're international, you could use Work Market. I don't know how fast they pay with that shit, but I'm guessing it's fast because I literally got paid instantly. And I don't think it matters if it's fucking Let me check my bank account if the money's sitting in there. Yeah. My take profit trader code ZERODAYJAY waives the activation fee. It's the best code. My code is the only one that does that. Just kidding, Carlos. But yeah, 40% off, no activation fee with code ZERODAYJAY. You just gotta, if you know, when you pass, get it right away. You gotta wait for them to give you the credit. They give you an activation credit that you apply when you go to upgrade. All right, let's see what the fuck's going on here. Oh my god. That's look, you see this little pop right here? That's 100 ticks, guys. That's 100 ticks right there. What's Apple doing? Apple's up 3.6%. This level's holding right now. For now. Work market is fast? Yeah. See, that's what I heard. Yeah. Dude, I got paid in a minute. Look, I requested it yesterday, 5:18 p.m. Eastern. Got approved and paid at 5:19. This was through Plaid. Amazing. I just wanted to see if the money was sitting in my account because I didn't even look. I'm logging in right now. Right now. I'm logging in right now. What's that? What's that? Ah, yeah, I got it. I got it. Instant payment from Lucid Trading, it says in my bank account. 2186.70 yesterday. It's already posted. It's already cleared. Amazing. Fucking amazing. Instant. You love to see it. Let me go back to the charts here. Okay, guys. You see, guys? What's gold doing? I love gold. How many ticks is this now? 295. Watch this. 10. Interesting. Yeah, gold's not really fibbing right now. It's not really fibbing. I mean, it is on the longer time frame. It's at the 618. I expanded it. I think it wants this previous day's fucking high more than anything. Oh shit! You know what? I can't even trade with Lucid anymore anyway. If I were to place an order right now, it would get rejected because trading's over with them at 446 actually. So I'm done trading Lucid. I got these two funded accounts. I didn't get to trade them. I couldn't get the first day in. It is what it is. But I have them. At least we got to demonstrate how fast you could activate your newly passed account within minutes. Within minutes. And you could pass on day one. So I'll have 4 funded Lucid accounts going into the next trading session. These these need a lot of work, obviously. I'm good on, like, profit-wise, I'm okay, but I don't have a lot of drawdown. So I'm going to see if I could get like I don't know. I got to see how it plays out. I got to give myself more cushion for the pushing. You know what I'm saying? I'm always a big fan of more cushion for the pushing, but that's what these 2 funded accounts need. But at least I got paid on them first. And then this is another eval that I hit the daily loss limit on, and I'm going to see if I can pass that shit. Man, if I could pass that, then I'll be maxed out with 5 funded Lucids. We'll see. We'll see. Let's go back to this. Digital nukes. When boot camp. Hey, join the Discord. Come hang out in the best community on these prop firm streets. We got so many people putting on fucking trading clinics in here every fucking day. Every day. Vincenzo, what up? Be good. Oh, you're out? Oh, I thought you were leaving, Leo. Nice job on the 2K profit. Okay, chat. Yeah, Coach Fred, exactly. What up, Neil? Speaking of fucking baller ass traders, Diddy fading king. 5 days minimum. LK, 5 days minimum. My trading platform of choice is Tradeday. You have the choice of Tradeday, you know, a Ninja Trader, or fucking Project SlipX. DBT. I don't know where Lou Sassol's been. Tony Gold. Thank you, man. I think Lou Sassol's been hanging out with other streamers. No problem, LK. All right, be good, Robert Gallus. Be good, man. Is TradeSyncer any good? I've heard it's a little buggy and glitchy. I don't know, but people use it. People like it. Captain Price, it happens. I'm minus, if I count the $56 drawdown remaining my fund of futures accounts I had, I'm minus 6 today. I heard funny names being said. Got to join the combo. What up, Mike Crotch? Neil, you don't know about Lou Sasso? Oh shit, the market's about to close. Hey guys, if you're trading in Tradeday or Take Profit Trader, close out. Actually, Tradeday doesn't let you trade between after 150 or 450. Close out your Take Profit Trader trades. Get the fuck out. Yeah, he's real. I saw his license. Stu. Oh, you got. Hey, you guys know about Stu Bedasso? You know that guy? Yo, Lou Sasso sent me a screenshot of his license, but it said McLovin on it. I was like, what? Nice, John Q. Great job. Oh, man. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Yo, Mo, if you're still here, it doesn't say any about that bulenox 20% thing. It doesn't say it anywhere. But a bunch of people in the Discord have found out by way of being denied a payout for too many flip days, and that's what they told them. But it doesn't say it anywhere. That was a nice little fucking power hour session. I won every fucking trade I took. I passed the fucking Lucid funded eval. I got 1,500 on this fucking Take Profit Trader account. Is that all the trades I took? I think that's all I did. Did I do anything else? That's it. I'll take it. Mikey. Yeah, I did, bro. I did. Good thing I did, right? This is why I say take the fucking money. Take the money when you can take it. Until you're at a certain point where you're just so fucking good, you don't fuck up, you don't do shit like this. Until that time comes, take the money whenever it's available. Because I was dead set before I changed my mind last minute. I was contemplating it all day though, but I was dead set when I first had that day. I was streaming. What day was that? Tuesday night. I was streaming during the overnight, Tuesday going into Wednesday. So it was Wednesday's session, yesterday's session. And these two accounts were up like $800. Actually, 820 in realized gains. In unreals, they were up as much as 1,000. And then I gave it all back. And then I was up $354. And then I got on the stream, gave it all back, and was down over 600. And then I fucking I was creeping. I was like clawing away at the deficit. And then I took a banger fucking trade with both of them, got them both up to $1,115. And at that point, when I was streaming, when that happened, and I did it for the stream, of course, I was saying, I just need $430 more to get a max payout. How hard can it be? So I'm going to go for it. And then as the day progressed, I was thinking, maybe I should just take the fucking money. And then last minute before trading was over for the day with Lucid, I fucking lost. I had to lose like $15 on purpose. I lost a little bit more than I needed to, but whatever. Because the one account was a little over the 35% consistency rule. So I did that, and then I requested. Because you know what? This is why you fucking take the money. This is exactly why. This is why you take the money. Because shit like this could happen. Oh, that's why you do it? To cover for taxes? You know, anytime... Yo, why don't... Mike Crotch, why don't you make an account and call yourself... why don't you call that your name, right? Your display name or your account or your username, and just comment in the chat during Top Step and see if anyone notices. Or do like PayTac, as I like to call them. But yeah, anytime... Send screenshots in the Discord. Okay, I do have a code with Tradeday. 30% off. No activation fee with the best code ZERODAYJAY. I'm surprised none of these fucking automated things dropped in here. Let me drop my link in the chat. Okay. With them, you gotta fucking delete. They will pre-fill that coupon code section with their fucking in-house code. You gotta delete it and replace it with my code. Or whoever's code you want to use. Whoever you decide to support. Took 4K on XFA and you almost blew it? Which happened first? You almost blew it and then you took 4K? I hope that's how it played out, iTrade. But here's my link for Trade Day. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY. Here's my link for Take Profit Trader. 40% off, no activation fee. Hey, 5% off my fund the futures, guys. With the best code ZERODAYJ. Anyway, oh, I forgot. Let's see what this poll. I wonder how many people put pump after it pumped. I forgot to fucking cancel it. 5%, guys. What up, Pawn? Chilling, bro. Chilling. Hope you're doing well. Let's see what Apple's doing. Oh my God, it's up 4.5%. Oh my God. I have a feeling we're gonna fucking gap up. We're gonna gap up into the next session. Let's see what's Amazon doing. By the way, hey, I'm on Twitter or X as ZERODAYJ in case you want to follow me. And I'm also on Instagram as Real ZERODAYJ. The real ZERODAYJ on Instagram, right? Is that me? Yep, Real ZERODAYJ. Trading View. AMZN. Amazon is up 11.5%. We are going to gap the fuck up. Alfred. Neil, I did not grab any funding ticks accounts. Is this still happening? I might. I almost feel like I have to. What's the discount tomorrow on Core? I don't know, man. Are they doing something? I got to check my email. Let me check my email. I don't know. I don't see anything. Holy shit, it just doesn't stop. 12.6%. What's Apple doing? 4.4%. Jeez. Is Apple going for 300? Gotta love inflation, guys. You see, guys? That's inflation right there. Unless, like, I don't know, they're going to do their little call. They're going to do their little conference call next. Unless they say some dumb shit during their conference call, we're going to fucking gap up into the open, I think. You know what I'm saying, chat? I'm just in here fucking around. I'm just in here fucking around in the Discord, of course. You guys aren't hanging out in the Discord. I highly recommend it. It's the best fucking community on these prop firm streets, baby. No question. Here's the link again. It's free for now. We're probably going to, I don't know when we're going to hit 1,500 members, but we're going to get there. They're doing something? Yeah, I don't know, Mikey. But if you're going to grab an account, use the best code ZERODAYJ. I haven't seen an email yet. I usually get an email when they're going to do something. Hopefully they do like 20%. I mean, 20% off. I might actually buy a fucking Core account if they do like 20% off or some shit. Golden Paquito, what up? Lucid Direct, that's the straight to funded. Tory trades tan lines on Pinterest. Warbucks crypto prop. Is it his prop firm, or he just got his name on it and he's getting paid to promote it? There's a really good chance it's his. Yeah, I'm probably never going to get an account there. Probably never going to get an account there. What up, War? You got a Lucid account? No doubt. Golden Paquito. I have to look at it again. And then I'll look real quick for you. And then on the Pro. No, what'd you say? Lucid Direct. Those are the straight to fundeds. %60 of peak end of day balance. I don't even know where does it say that. I don't even know where it says that. I just know that you have a 20% consistency rule. I don't see anything about scaling. I never even seen that they have scale. I don't even think they do. I don't even know what that means, to be honest with you. I wish I knew. Check Discord and add it to the degen data. Let's see. Let's take a look. Oh my God. Now that's a fucking calendar. Haters will say it's photoshopped. Look at that shit, bro. How many? Another. Yo, is that your Coach HID? Is that your 4th or 5th payout? Is that 4 or 5? I think that's 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this is I think that's your 5th. Are you going live now? You're gonna go live? Yeah, Golden Paquito. I'm not really sure. What up, AB Piano? What's good? On the main page. On the like their plans page. Fuck yeah, bro. That's fucking dope. Great job. This is the name of the game. You see this, guys? I'm not saying I'm not saying you have to have a green day every day, but he's taken 5 payouts from the same 2 accounts. 5 each for the same 2 accounts. You know how much money he's saving on fucking, I mean, he's probably buying new accounts anyway at other prop firms, but you know how much money he's saving by not having to by not blowing these funded accounts and constantly taking more money? That's how your profit margin expands with these prop firms. That's the name of the game. Account retention. He's putting on a fucking clinic. Fucking, yeah, it's fucking amazing. Thank you, War. I appreciate it. F4, what up? The D-Walk. It's exactly. You know, when you engage in that type of retention, D-Walk, all of a sudden they are drawn to you. The pheromones are fucking on full blast. You're fucking because I don't even want to get into it, but on a primitive level, they exist to take it from us, to take the life force from us. They need us to inject our life force into them. Because at a fucking very primitive level, we are put on this earth to fucking procreate. HID, fucking great job, by the way. F4. Yeah, me too. Rick, join the club, man. You see me blowing fucking accounts left and right. Let me look at this shit on fucking Lucid. So you're talking about the direct. What does that even mean? Yeah, I have no idea what that means. Here we go. Lucid scale formula. It's on this page. Let's try to make sense of it. Highest end of day profit times 60%. Oh, so the daily loss limit scales with your profit. So I think if your highest end of day profit is 4,000, then your new daily loss limit will be 2,400. You see that? There it is. Golden Paquito, you still here, bro? If you're not, I'll send it to you on Discord. But that's it right there. That's what it means. Your daily loss limit scales with your overall profit. Does that make sense? I'll drop it in the chat. Okay, chat? Hope you don't mind, chat. Here it is. Hey, Coach HID. Don't forget about the Degen fam when you're going on to big riches with your new My Fund the Futures live accounts. Don't forget about us, okay? I love it. You've been fucking, dude. It's so fucking amazing. This is what's possible. Look at this shit. And you don't have to be green every day. Like he's just fucking he's very obviously he waits. He's patient. He pushes on certain days, right? Look, he pushes and then he cruises the rest of the way. He picks his spots. Look at that. That's a clinic right there. My bulenox looks almost as good, but not quite. I got a lot more days to go. I got a lot more days. I need to fucking you got 25 trading days. You have 25 trading days like that or more. Hell yeah, HID. I love it, man. I'm getting there, though. It's okay to have a red day, guys. Don't feel like you have to be green every day. But this is fucking beautiful. That's art right there. All right, I'm going to bounce. I got to make my update videos. If you got to grab some accounts with Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Fund the Futures, Tradeday, bulenox, or Lucid, use the best code ZERODAYJAY if you want to support the channel. Smash the like button on your way out, please, for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. I stream every day for Power Hour. We will close out the week strong tomorrow. At least that's the goal. And if I'm not too fucking tired because I'm literally on like 3 hours of sleep, I will try to stream later. All right? All right. You guys have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your night. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks again.